Bristol, a vibrant city in the southwest of England, is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landmarks. It offers a blend of modern attractions and historical sites, including the famous Clifton Suspension Bridge, the Wills Memorial Building Tower, and the historic Bristol Old Vic Theatre. The city is also home to the beautiful Harbourside, where visitors can enjoy cafes, museums, and galleries. Bristol is a hub for arts, music, and festivals, with events like the Bristol International Balloon Fiesta and the annual Street Art Festival. Its mix of lively neighborhoods, green spaces, and creative atmosphere makes it a must-visit destination in the UK. So, let's explore the best places to visit in Bristol. Number 1. Bristol Harbor. Bristol Harbor, home to the city docks, is a must-visit spot filled with museums, galleries, and entertainment for all ages. Popular attractions here include the Bristol Aquarium, the Science Centre We the Curious, and Arnolfini, known for its world-class art, music, and performances. This historic harbor spans 70 acres and offers breathtaking views of the Avon River, making it a favorite for evening strolls. Visitors can enjoy tasty food and drinks at the many cafes and restaurants around. With calm waters, the harbor is perfect for activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and rowing. Exploring by Bristol ferry boats is a fun way to take in the sights and enjoy the area's charm. 2. Clifton Suspension Bridge. The Clifton Suspension Bridge, designed by British engineer Isambard Kingdom Brunel, is one of his early masterpieces. Spanning the 260-foot deep Avon Gorge, the bridge is 702 feet long and connects the limestone plateau of Clifton down. Construction took 33 years after Brunel submitted his design. Visitors from around the world enjoy walking across the bridge, taking in its stunning views and snapping photos of the cityscape. The bridge also features an information center where visitors can learn about its history or book behind-the-scenes tours. Nearby, the Clifton Observatory, now a year-round restaurant, adds to the charm, offering great food and views of this iconic landmark. 3. Bristol Cathedral. Bristol Cathedral, originally St. Augustine Abbey, is a historic landmark and one of Bristol's top sightseeing spots. Established in 1542, it boasts stunning architecture and a peaceful ambience. Built and rebuilt over 600 years, the cathedral features a mix of styles that reflect its rich history. The eastern part, dating from 1298 to 1330, showcases decorative architecture. The western facade, added in the 19th century, beautifully complements the structure. The central tower displays 16th century style, while the chapter house highlights late Norman decoration with unique patterns. Visitors are often amazed by the Great Gatehouse, known for its intricate painted arches and detailed designs. 4. Cabot Tower. Cabot Tower is located on top of Brandon Hill and offers breathtaking views of the city. Built in 1897, it celebrates the 400th anniversary of John Cabot's voyage to North America. The tower stands 105 feet tall and can be easily seen from the hill's base. Visitors can enjoy stunning city views from the base or climb to the top for a view extending to Bristol Harbor. Surrounded by Brandon Hill Park, the area is perfect for picnics, relaxing, and enjoying nature. The park has walking trails, a network of paths, and a playground for kids. This charming spot attracts many tourists with its rustic beauty and historical significance. 5. St. Mary Redcliffe Church. St. Mary Redcliffe Church, described by Queen Elizabeth I as the fairest parish church in England during her 1574 visit, is one of Bristol's must-visit spots. Originally built in the 13th century, it was rebuilt in the 15th century with a stunning Baroque design. Located south of the floating harbor on Red Cliffs, the church amazes visitors with its beautiful architecture, including clustered pillars, interlaced vaulting, an ornate doorway, and a hexagonal porch. Highlights include the memorial tablets of Admiral Sir William Penn and the church organ, famed as one of England's best preserved. Guided tours and services offer a peaceful experience. 6. Cheddar Gorge. Cheddar Gorge, near Bristol, is one of Britain's most stunning locations and a top spot for adventure and nature lovers. This famous tourist attraction offers visitors a chance to explore beautiful landscapes, rich wildlife, and fascinating history. The gorge is also popular for thrilling activities like rock climbing and caving, with expert guides and safe equipment for both kids and adults. Visitors can discover hidden caves and enjoy the immersive multimedia experience at Cox's Cave, which showcases the life of early humans. A prehistoric museum here displays ancient artifacts found during excavations, making it a must-visit destination for history and adventure seekers. 7. Queen Square. Queen Square is a beautiful and historic public square located in the center of Bristol. Designed in the early 18th century, it is surrounded by stunning Georgian buildings and is a popular spot for both locals and visitors. The square offers a peaceful green space for picnics, walks, and outdoor events. In the center stands a statue of King William III, adding to the historical significance of the area. Over the years, Queen Square has become a venue for various festivals, markets, and cultural activities, making it a lively and vibrant part of Bristol. Its combination of history, architecture, and open space makes it a must-visit destination in the city. 8. Ashton Gate Stadium. Ashton Gate Stadium is a well-known sports venue in Bristol, England, primarily serving as the home ground for Bristol City Football Club and Bristol Bears Rugby Club. Located in the south of the city, the stadium has a rich history dating back to 1887 and has undergone several renovations to improve its facilities. With a seating capacity of over 27,000, Ashton Gate hosts a wide range of events, including football and rugby matches, concerts, and other live entertainment. Its modern facilities, including hospitality suites and fan zones, make it a popular spot for sports fans and event-goers alike, contributing to the vibrant atmosphere of Bristol's sporting culture. 9. Wills Memorial Building Tower. The Wills Memorial Building Tower is one of Bristol's most iconic landmarks, standing tall in the city center. Part of the University of Bristol, the building was completed in 1925 and is named after the tobacco magnate Henry Overton Wills. The tower is an impressive example of Gothic architecture, with intricate details and a striking design. At 215 feet, 65 meters tall, it offers panoramic views of the city from the top, making it a popular spot for both tourists and locals. Visitors can explore the building's grand interior, which includes the historic Great Hall, adding to its status as a symbol of Bristol's academic and architectural heritage. 10. Bristol Old Vic. The Bristol Old Vic is the oldest continuously running theatre in the English-speaking world, dating back to 1766. Located in the heart of Bristol, it has a rich history and is renowned for its exceptional performances in drama, comedy, and musical theatre. The theatre features a beautiful Georgian design and is home to both large-scale productions and intimate performances. Over the years, it has been a platform for many famous actors, playwrights, and directors. With its recently renovated facilities, the Bristol Old Vic continues to be a cultural hub, offering a range of shows and events that attract both locals and visitors to experience the arts in one of the city's most historic venues.